Welcome to our Whiteboard Wednesday. Today we're going to talk about dealing with failure. Everyone fails. We don't hear about it on Instagram or Facebook. We don't hear about the failures in life. People don't talk about them. People don't share those things, share those experiences. Everyone portrays the positive and all the great things that happen to them. I think it's bad because we don't understand that full. It's the things that we accomplish by failing and learning and building those steps, that foundation for success, because it teaches you how you get back up. It teaches you the learning experiences from failures is actually more important than always succeeding and never learning, right? You don't learn how to push yourself to be better. If you're always succeeding, you think that's how it always should be, but you never know. You can be way up here if you just tried. By having goals that are set, that are higher goals than your common goals you do every day that make you satisfied. Important in my life as well, as I'm a baseball coach and a life coach with my sons and family. And I always say, striking out isn't a bad thing. You're swinging for pitches you couldn't hit before. You got a faster pitcher in baseball. Because again, in life, we are our worst critics. We are the hardest on ourselves in so many ways. But we forget, as in business and in coaching, you've always got another bat. You're always going to have another chance to try and fail again, or try and succeed. But if you don't push yourself, you're never going to get to that next step. You're never going to get to that next level in life. It's important you understand failure is everything. And the little failures get easier to accept, learn, get back up on your feet, and then build that huge positive step forward. Coping with failure is the other part. I can talk to you about it. I can say all these great things. And after a whole series of those failures, there's an important factor people miss. Own up to your mistakes, to yourself as well as others. By accepting failure as an everyday part of life and then learning to build on those, even in your relationships, it's important with the coping mechanisms, because a lot of time you take steps back. Anything can happen. Dreams are there to be made, to be sought after, to fight for. Coping with it is basically this: accepting yourself, admitting your mistakes, and allowing yourself great potential growth. Okay? Touched on a couple different pieces. Remember, failure is acceptable. It really is. Sometimes even talking about it with others and family members is important, because it allows you to cope and to deal with it and to say it's okay. Move your business forward, move your life forward. Happy Wednesday. See you next week.